Hi, my name is Loretta Coleman. I am pleased to introduce you to this property. Beautiful red brick home on 1.5 acres with 6-car garage, a workshop plus a separate 16 by 40 RV garage. Currently the front portion of the property is an orchard and there is a large garden space in the back. Home has a beautiful stone fireplace and living room, Anderson windows and spacious bedrooms. Office has separate from front of house. Fully fenced, gated entry and separate gated entry to RV garage. Air compressor above attached 2-car garage. Solar power is owned. Downstairs is a bedroom, 3/4 bath and another kitchen and laundry with separate entrance. Microwave does not work, and seller will not repair/replace.